See that puddle right there? That's all gas. Overflowed on me, and it looks like it overflowed on someone else maybe. Don't know. All I know is it cost me a lot. What's up, everybody? I just stopped here over at a travel center. This is a Love's Travel Center, and we're on the outskirts of Albuquerque on our way to Los Angeles. So right now I just pulled out onto the highway from the Love's truck stop, and my rear differential is acting really funny. Not funny, haha. Apparently it's not shifting right, and it's slamming when I'm in low gears and stuff like that. But it doesn't feel like the transmission because it's coming from the rear. So it's probably the rear differential like the transmission guys said. But they said it would be drivable. I'm kind of a little worried about it right now though. I'm not sure if I'll make it to Flagstaff, but we're gonna see, you know, because I have no choice, you know. What do I do? Turn around? Because I'm already at like 2 hours, you know, from Albuquerque. So I'm just gonna drive right now and we'll see how this works out. I'm hoping that my like rear axle just doesn't come out or something like that, because that's gonna take a while to replace. I don't know where I would stay. Yeah, Flagstaff is about 250 miles, I think. So I'm a little sketch over this right now. Van seems to run okay when I'm going this speed, but I'm worried about stopping now. I got a full tank of gas, and I'm going about, I don't know, 65 in a 75 right now. It's just very scary, like not knowing if I'm gonna make it or not. Like, it's just, it's worrying me quite a bit, because it's not like you could just pick up a differential from like AutoZone or something and install it yourself. If I could make it out to LA, maybe I could crash with somebody and have the van in there for like a week or something if I could get it in somewhere. This is concerning me just a little bit. I've gone 56 miles and my needle on the fuel gauge is still on full. Either I overfilled it or the needle is stuck. So I gotta watch my odometer to make sure that I don't run out of gas. I know I could do at least like 400 miles on a full tank, but I'm still kind of concerned that like the needle's broken right now. That would suck a lot. Concerned that yeah, the needle must be broken, because now I've gone 85 miles and the needle is still stuck there. I want to update you, it's raining right now, and also I just saw my gas needle move a little while ago, but I still done about 144 miles since I filled up. So either I'm getting the best gas mileage right now, or something is wrong with my needle. We're gonna see when I stop in Flagstaff, which is about 100 miles away, and then I'll get to see if the needle goes down after I shut off the gas tank. But I think Flagstaff is gonna be my target right now. If I could get to Flagstaff and the van doesn't move after that, then I know at least I could get to the airport. Then I could at least go back to New Orleans where I could crash with friends and stuff like that. Or it might be cheaper where I could drive it to Flagstaff and then fly to Los Angeles, and maybe someone could put me up there. Looks like I'm headed into hell of a storm right now, and traffic is pretty heavy, but hopefully I get through this to Flagstaff. Now you can hear that. It's friggin' hail, I think. That is fucking crazy. Hopefully nothing happens to my solar panels. Yeah, you can see the hail on the ground, and my rear differential just kicked again. Hopefully everything turns out okay after it cools down a bit. Looks fine now. All right, I just stopped at a Pilot here, Let's see, I'm gonna keep it rolling. Try to see what it's gonna do in the future here. I don't know where the fuck the cars go. Heard a little rubbing of my gears there. Let's see, turning. And we're gonna try to land it in this pilot. Didn't use my blinker, but I don't see anybody. And then up this hill. No slamming yet. I'm gonna try to park somewhere. Here's what just happened. I pulled into the pilot. I just felt a couple bumps, but they weren't that large. And then I had to reverse it, and I felt a big bump. But I think after I cool it down, I'll just drive down to LA. After I cool down the van, I'll drive to LA. What's up, guys? I'm in my van right now. When I got out of my van, went into Pilot to buy some food. And then when I came out, that storm that I went through, it's coming here. You could hear a little clicking from the rain. And it's cold outside right now. Just looked at the weather for Flagstaff, and it says in the morning it's gonna be like, it'll drop down to 53 degrees. So it'll be cold. Hopefully it's not gonna be raining all the time, because I wanna drive further to California. This is my parking here right now. Ooh, at the Pilot. Reason why I'm staying here tonight is because it's already 4 o'clock. By the time I make it to Barstow, it's gonna be too late, because I was gonna stop and stay there at one of the truck stops, but now the roads are really slow right now. So I'll probably sleep early, and then I'll travel probably 6 a.m. or something like that. It is a little bit chilly here, but I'll put some pants on because I have shorts on. So I bought some beer, and then I'm gonna go to sleep after I eat, and then I'll drive out to LA in the morning, and then hopefully I'll get there, before the hacker meeting. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm sorry not a lot went on, but I hope everyone liked it. And if you're a new person watching my videos, please subscribe. And also, you could comment on the videos. And if you like my video, please give me a thumb up. And I'll see you guys again tomorrow.